welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a kite. We need a scissor, some thin tape, some wrapping paper, a scale, two long thin sticks, and come on, let's make a kite. Now we will cut the wrapping paper into a perfect square. Let's now like this. Now some cutting. Now we have this perfect square. Let's rotate it in a diamond shape. Now take the stick and measure it to corner and cut the extras. Now take this tape and paste the stick. Take this tape and paste it to it like this. Now take another piece of stick and attach it like this. And you can also take an extra piece of paper and attach it to make a pretty piece of tail. You can also put this in your room for decoration. You can also put this for Diwali or any kind of festival. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys. Have fun flying your kite.